Okay, guys, well, there we are. We are starting now. So, once more, welcome to our conference lesson for today. My name is Alastair. I am your teacher for today's conference lesson, the title of which is here. It's The Basics of Entrepreneurship. Okay, so for all you budding entrepreneurs, we're going to have a look at some great English language to help us understand entrepreneurship. Okay, well, let's get started. Here we go. So, our agenda for the conference lesson today: number one, understanding entrepreneurship. Number two, key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Number three, building a business plan. Number four, funding and scaling your business. Okay, well, let's have a look at that first one. Here we go. Understanding entrepreneurship. So I'm going to read through the definition here. I'm going to read through it twice to give you guys a chance to listen to it. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying, creating, and pursuing new opportunities to bring innovative products, services, or processes to market. It involves the initiation, development, and management of a business venture, along with its associated risks, with the goal of achieving profit and growth. Okay, so I'm going to read through that definition one more time. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying, creating, and pursuing new opportunities to bring innovative products, services, or processes to market. It involves the initiation, development, and management of a business venture, along with its associated risks, with the goal of achieving profit and growth. Okay. So, the importance of entrepreneurship. Let's have a look at some reasons why entrepreneurship is important. Economic growth. Entrepreneurs contribute to economic development by creating jobs, fostering innovation, and driving competitiveness. Okay, so we just want to turn our microphones off, guys. Okay, there we go. Great. So, another important reason for entrepreneurship: social change. Through innovative solutions, entrepreneurship addresses social issues, improves quality of life, and supports community development. And the last one there, market expansion. Entrepreneurs often open new markets and expand existing ones by introducing innovative products and services. Okay. Well, let's have a think about types of entrepreneurship. So we've got two different types here. I'm going to read through both of these twice. Uh, Types of entrepreneurship: small business entrepreneurship involves starting and operating small businesses, often family owned and serving local markets. Small business entrepreneurship involves starting and operating small businesses, often family owned and serving local markets. Okay. Second type of entrepreneurship: scalable startup entrepreneurship, focuses on launching innovative startups with high growth potential, often with the aim of attracting significant investment and scaling rapidly. Scalable startup entrepreneurship. This focuses on launching innovative startups with high growth potential, often with the aim of attracting significant investment and scaling rapidly. Okay, well, let's have a look at two more types of social entrepreneurship. The first one, social entrepreneurship, combines a mission to solve social problems with business strategies aiming to create social impact alongside financial sustainability. Social entrepreneurship. This combines a mission to solve social problems with business strategies aiming to create social impact alongside financial sustainability. And corporate entrepreneurship occurs within established companies where employees drive innovation and new business ventures to enhance the organization's competitiveness and growth. Corporate entrepreneurship occurs within established companies where employees drive innovation and new business ventures to enhance the organization's competitiveness and growth. Okay, so we've got some basic entrepreneurship vocabulary, numbered 1 to 12, number 1 to 13. I'm going to read through these vocabulary words twice. We'll go through both times. Innovation, business plan, market research, scalability, goal, management, investment, risk, adaptability, problem solving, equity, exit strategy, growth. Okay, I'm going to read through these again. Have a listen. Read those translations if you wish as well. Innovation, business plan, market research, scalability, goal, management, investment, risk, adaptability, problem solving, equity, exit strategy, and growth. Okay, so these are good vocabulary words in English that help us to talk about basic entrepreneurship. Okay. Well, we're going to have our first chat exercise, everybody. So I've got 4 vocabulary words there: scalability, investment, risk, and problem solving. Okay, we want to use the right word for the right sentence. We've got 4 sentences. So we want to answer in the chat these different sentences. Okay, so have a look and have a listen. So number 1, successful entrepreneurs are often adept at cognitive. Number 2, some investments are attractive because they have and potential for growth. Number 3, is an inherent part of entrepreneurship, as not every new business is successful. And lastly, number 4, entrepreneurs often need to seek from a variety of sources. Okay, so we want to choose the right word for the right sentence. It's up to you guys if you want to participate. Those 4 words: scalability, investment, risk, and problem solving. Okay, so what we want to try and do, if you want to join in, you can put number 1 and the word you think it is, number 2, the word you think it is, etc., etc. So I'm writing in those words into the chat as well. There they are, the 4. Okay, so we've got some people taking part now. That's great. Well done. Okay. So I'm going to read through, have a little look, and join in if you wish. Number 1, successful entrepreneurs are often adept at cognitive. Some investments are attractive because they have and potential for growth. Number 3 is an inherent part of entrepreneurship, as not every business is successful. And lastly, number 4, entrepreneurs often need to seek from a variety of sources. Okay, well, we've got some answers in. We've got a variety of answers coming into the chat, but we're going to have a look at those correct answers now. There they are. So, successful entrepreneurs are often adept at cognitive problem solving. Some investments are attractive because they have scalability and potential for growth. Risk is an inherent part of entrepreneurship, as not every new business is successful. Entrepreneurs often need to seek investment from a variety of sources. There we go. Okay, well, we're going to look at some more helpful expressions and vocabulary to do with entrepreneurship now. So let us continue. Here we go. So the next part is key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Very interesting. Let's have a look. So, key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Successful entrepreneurs often share several key traits that contribute to their accomplishments. In fact, these traits are not exhaustive, but they are commonly found among successful entrepreneurs and contribute significantly to their achievements. Okay, so let's take a look at them. 8 key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Number 1, passion and vision. Successful entrepreneurs are driven by a strong passion for their ideas or businesses. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are committed to realizing it despite challenges. So, successful entrepreneurs are driven by a strong passion for their ideas or businesses. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are committed to realizing it despite challenges. Number 2, resilience. Entrepreneurship is full of ups and downs. Successful entrepreneurs have the resilience to bounce back from failures, setbacks, and criticism. They see failures as opportunities to learn and grow. So, resilience. Entrepreneurship is full of ups and downs. Successful entrepreneurs have the resilience to bounce back from failures, setbacks, and criticism. In fact, good entrepreneurs see failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Okay. Number 3, adaptability. The business landscape is constantly changing. They embrace change and are always looking for new opportunities. So, adaptability. The business landscape is constantly changing. They embrace change and are always looking for new opportunities. Number 4, risk taking. Entrepreneurship inherently involves risk. They understand that great rewards often come with great risks. So, risk taking, entrepreneurship inherently involves risk. They understand that great rewards often come with great risks. Okay, let's check the next key trait. Number 5, a strong work ethic. Successful entrepreneurs are dedicated and hardworking individuals. They lead by example and inspire others with their work ethic. Successful entrepreneurs are dedicated and hardworking individuals. They lead by example and inspire others with their work ethic. Okay, and number 6, networking and relationship building. Building a strong network is crucial for success in entrepreneurship. Successful entrepreneurs are skilled at networking and building relationships with customers, partners, investors, and other stakeholders. So, building a strong network is crucial for success in entrepreneurship. Successful entrepreneurs are skilled at networking and building relationships with customers, partners, investors, and other stakeholders, people who are interested. Okay, let's check the last 2 traits of successful entrepreneurs. So, number 7, financial management. Successful entrepreneurs understand the importance of financial management. They know how to effectively manage finances and budgets wisely. Once again, financial management. Successful entrepreneurs understand the importance of financial management. They know how to effectively manage finances and budget wisely. And the last key trait for today, number 8, continuous learning. The business world is constantly evolving. They are always seeking new knowledge, skills, and insights to stay ahead of the competition. So, number 8, continuous learning. The business world is constantly evolving, and they are always seeking new knowledge, skills, and insights to stay ahead of the competition. Okay, so those are 8 key traits of successful entrepreneurs. So we have a second chat exercise for you. Let me read it out. Do you have a close friend who you consider a great and inspiring entrepreneur? Describe his or her most remarkable characteristic in the chat if you wish to participate. So once again, do you have a close friend who you consider a great and inspiring entrepreneur? Describe his or her most remarkable characteristic in the chat. Okay, so for example, I do have a friend who has a very successful app that he started. And the reason I think it became so successful was his networking skills. Networking skills. Okay. So if anyone else wants to contribute, there we go. Sandrine has a friend whose um, best trait or remarkable trait is his or her adaptability. Okay, yeah, that's great. I mean, all of these are great skills and traits to have for entrepreneurs, but if perhaps there might be one greater than another for some people. So we've got another here, a great talent in risk taking. Okay, yeah, it takes courage to take risks. And yeah, resilience. Okay, a lot of successful entrepreneurs also have a story of failure. They also have a story of how they didn't quite make it, at least once. So resilience is key. Absolutely. And we have another example here, ability to seize opportunities and create them. Okay, yeah. Well, this is seeing that gap in the market, understanding what people want. Absolutely. And seizing that moment, seizing that opportunity. Fantastic. Okay, well, some great participation there, guys. But we are going to continue. Let's have a look at the next part of the lesson. Here we go. So we're going to think about the English language we can use to talk about building a business plan. Building a business plan is like crafting a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. It is a comprehensive document that outlines your business goals, strategies, market analysis, financial projections, and operational details. So, building a business plan is like crafting a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey. It is a comprehensive document that outlines your business goals, strategies, market analysis, financial projections, and operational details. Here's a breakdown of key components typically included in a business plan. Okay. So, building a business plan, executive summary. This section provides an overview of your business idea, highlighting its uniqueness, market potential, and why it's likely to succeed. Company description. Describe your business, including its mission, vision, values, and legal structure. Explain what sets your business apart from competitors. Market analysis. Conduct thorough research on your industry, target market, and competitors. Identify market trends, customer needs, and your competitive advantage or your competitive edge. Marketing and sales strategy. Define your marketing and sales approach. This includes your target audience, pricing strategy, distribution channels, promotional tactics, and sales forecast. Funding request. If you seek funding, specify the amount you need and how you plan to use it. Provide financial projections to demonstrate the potential return on investment for investors. Okay, so what do you think is a good business venture for 2024? Okay, well, perhaps you can go in afterwards and have a look at this business plan model and fill it in. But there are sections here. It says business name here. Say what you do in one line. The market problem. What do customers want that they're not getting elsewhere? Your solution. How will you meet this need? Target market. Describe your typical customer, be it a person or a business. How many are there? Sales and marketing. Where and how will sales happen? How will you get the word out about your business? Competitors. Who else wants those customers? List some of your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. And lastly, on there, milestones. What 5 big things need to happen before the launch? Set deadlines. Okay, so guys, you'll be able to come back in here after the lesson on the recording at a later date, or you can take a screenshot now if you wish. You can use this as an English template to help you complete your business plan in English. Okay, well, let's have a look at an example. Okay, so building a business plan, organization and management. Outline the organizational structure of your business and introduce key team members. highlight their expertise and roles in achieving business objectives. Products or services. Describe what you offer in detail. Explain how your product or services solve customer problems or fulfill needs better than alternatives in the market already. And of course, financial projections. Present realistic financial forecasts, including income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets. Include assumptions behind your projections and explain how you arrived at them. Okay, so on the screen here, we have an example. So here is an example of part of a business plan for a restaurant. Now it shows financial performance projections based on predicted sales, and here they predict a peak in the summer months as well. So again, if you wish, you'll be able to come back on here once the conference lesson has been put on the CDL website and have a little look at this example too. Okay, well, guys, we're doing very well. Let's have a look at the last part here, funding and scaling your business. So first of all, types of funding. So we've got some English expressions here for different types of funding for your new business. Bootstrapping, using personal savings and revenue to fund the business. Angel investors, individuals who provide capital for startups in exchange for equity. Venture capital, investment firms that provide capital to high growth startups. Crowdfunding, raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via an online platform. Bank loans and grants, traditional financing options, of course, to look at bank loans and grants. Okay, well, those are different types of funding. Let's think about scaling strategies. Okay, so yes, we can look for funding and investment, but on the other hand, business strategies may vary depending on the product and sector. These are the most common ones. So, market penetration, increasing market share in existing markets. Market expansion, entering new markets. Product expansion, developing new products or services. Diversification, expanding into different industries or markets. Partners or acquisitions, collaborating with or acquiring new businesses. Okay, so those are some scaling strategies as well. Of course, all in English for you today. So we have a conclusion before we finish today. So as you have seen, the world of entrepreneurship and business is a big place where there are many strategies to achieve success. However, the most important thing in this world is assertive communication, good habits, and collaborative work with other entrepreneurs. Therefore, stay open to learning and work on your communication skills. Okay, guys. Well, there we are. We've looked at our lesson today for entrepreneurship. I hope you enjoyed it. We don't have much left to say other than goodbye. So, on behalf of myself and Circle de Long, thank you very much for watching today. Thank you very much for attending the conference lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed presenting it for you guys today. Goodbye to all of you. I will be back here next Monday. I hope to see you all then. Take care, guys. Have a great evening. See you next time.